You want to do online marketing, but you don't know which social media platform is best to be doing your online marketing in 2022. That's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. And I want to say about maybe a year and a half, 2 years ago, things really took a shift in terms of marketing over on social media. And now, number one, TikTok is the number one downloaded app in the entire world, right? Not social media platform, but the entire app. And so if you're just looking to get started, here is what I know. I know that right now at the time of this production, TikTok is hot. It's an incredible app to meet new people. You do not need to be dancing and be, like shaking your thing in order to have success over on TikTok. In fact, I have over 90,000 followers at the time of making this, and I don't really do any dancing on TikTok. I do a lot of education. So here is why TikTok is something that is really, really hot right now, but the window for growth is quickly shutting. So if you're looking to be growing on social media, you want to grow a brand, you want to sell products, you want to sell an opportunity, whatever it may be, you need to be building over on TikTok. And in the description of this video for you guys, I have a resource that my good friend has made that is all things TikTok. And she has grown her following to over 1 million, and she's got a really, really awesome introductory course to TikTok. I'm going to leave the link for you in the description of this video so that you can check it out. She talks all about how to make short form video, because what we realize is that TikTok is very different than going live, than YouTube videos, anything like that, because it's short form video. So it does take a little bit of skill that you need to learn, but it has exponential growth because it is all the rage right now. And here's the biggest difference. TikTok, when you post a video, it has a For You page. And what that For You page is it shows it to all different TikTok audiences based on the artificial intelligence of you and what your audience will like, right? Now, on Facebook or Instagram, what happens is people only see your post if they're following you or if they're friends with you. But that's not the case over on TikTok. So you grow this massive, wide audience, and then you have people that follow you so they see your videos, but you always can end up on that For You page, which can help your videos go viral, which could help fill the leads. And what I've done is I've linked for you right over here how to sell and convert your leads onto TikTok. This was last week's training that I did for you, so this is kind of like a part 2. But here's the other thing that I know about TikTok, right? So you can end up on that For You page. You can reach a really, really wide audience of people that are looking for your product, your opportunity, whatever it is, your service that you're providing. But the other thing that I know is right now TikTok has gotten very involved in TikTok ads. And I don't know if you know anything about the ads history, but back when Facebook started ads, it was all the rage. The cost per lead was super duper low. Same thing with Google. And then over time, obviously the cost per lead has gone up. It's gotten harder to market on Facebook. It's gotten harder to market on Instagram and on Google. But right now, because TikTok is just rolling out their ads platform, it's kind of an untapped business. So if you're really looking to market right now, this is what I would say to do. I would say absolutely get started on TikTok. Start doing a search. In fact, I heard that it's going to be probably the number one search engine, outperforming Google and YouTube over here. But what I would say is go on to TikTok, and at the top there's a search bar. And I want you to look for the keywords or the tags hashtags that you would associate with your niche. So if you are in the health and wellness space, you could do weight loss, whatever it may be, right? And start looking and seeing what type of creators out there are creating those trends, right? Success kind of leaves clues, and you can see the videos that they're making, and then you go and you recreate them for yourself and make them your own, right? And then if it's a well-performing video, then you can boost it, you can put ad money to it, whatever it may be. But this is definitely an opportunity right now to get in early before it becomes totally oversaturated. Now, I will say that if you are looking for more of a very long-term game, YouTube is incredible, right? And so I recommend to anybody to build on one social media platform like your TikTok, and then build on one search engine like your YouTube. And so what I would say is make sure you're building over on TikTok, but also make sure you're posting one YouTube quality content YouTube video here, just like I do on my channel each and every week. And if you're interested in learning more about how to use YouTube to grow your business, I'm gonna put a link into my viral video challenge right down below here so that you can get started on YouTube as well. So what I say is do an SEO platform like YouTube, do a social media platform like a TikTok, marry the two, create content over there, and you are going to have an awesome marketing strategy for 2022. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.